So I have to make long form content to monetize my channel. And so we're just going to talk about the importance of positive language. Because listen, y'all, I was making this kid a balloon animal and he popped it, right? And then so I made him another one and he popped it, right? And then so, there's other kids, other parents. So like I'm doing my thing, I'm networking, I'm talking to other kids, other parents. But okay, so he popped his first one, I made him another one. He popped his second one, and then he ran into me again. I had already made like a heart balloon for like someone else, but it was on my neck. I felt bad the kid kept popping his balloons, and so I put the heart balloon around his neck. And when I said that, I said, you have bad luck. But I was thinking about that the other day and how I should have said you have good luck, because he did have good luck. He kept popping his balloons and I kept giving him another one. Like, I don't think you could have had better luck if your balloons kept getting popped and someone kept giving you more balloons. I don't think you could have had better luck. So that made me think about the power of language, how we frame the things that are going on around us. Because, you could say, oh, a kid, every time he gets a balloon, it pops. It's bad luck. But you could also reframe it as, that kid keeps getting more and more balloons, which is good luck. And that made me think that life is a little like this situation that happened with the kid who kept popping the balloons, but he kept getting more balloons. Sometimes, like, we're focused on the balloon that popped and not that we just got a new balloon, right? And like, so how we frame things is important. And then I also think, like, people talk about yin and yang and balance. Like, I don't think you can really have true appreciation for the things you have in your life if you've never lacked them, right? Like, I know some people who have wonderful mom and dads, and they think their parents are like the worst people, and they have like incredible parents. And one of the reasons that is because you don't have a bad parent. Like, this one girl said she was in therapy because her mother missed one recital out of her whole lifetime. That made her mother the worst. That's like, how many people don't have parents, let alone parents who put them in piano class and dance classes where they need to be in attendance in the audience to watch you shine. And it's like, and there's kids like that who define their parents as evil, and they're in therapy talking about how terrible their mother is, and the mother is paying the bill. No, you have a good mother who tolerates a lot of nonsense from you. Like, so like, guys, it's important how we frame things. Like, there's a lot of people who are ungrateful in the world, and there's a lot of people who have tremendously good parents who think their parents are the worst. And like, we got to think about our language, how we talk about things, the people in our lives, the jobs we get to go to, and all that. And then I heard this woman say, poor is passing over opportunity repeatedly. Let me repeat that. Poor is passing over opportunity repeatedly. And it is. Look, I've done that. You're too good to work at McDonald's for $14.50 because, well, you're old and your bills require more money than $14.50. So you say, no, I'm past that. I'm gonna try to get 25 an hour, 35 an hour, whatever your target is. But you can't find that job for whatever reason. You can't find a job that pays 35 an hour. And then you pass up the job that pays $14.50, $16.50. I'm gonna tell y'all something. Any money is better than no money. So poor is passing up opportunity repeatedly. Any money is better than no money. And I get it. When bills are high, people are like, all right, 16, that ain't enough. And it's not. But it's a stepping stone. Any money is better than no money. Okay, you get that job, it will put some money in your pocket while you look for other jobs, or it will put some money in your pocket while you get another job. But like, poor is passing up opportunity repeatedly. Okay, like, I believe that makes sense, y'all. And and it's because, like, when you see how much your bills are and then what you're actually netting after all that work and taxes, it is easy to stay in bed and say nah and look for something with bigger reward. But sometimes you don't find that bigger reward. Sometimes that bigger reward is not right around the corner. And then as far as being able to take care of yourself, again, little money is better than no money. So yeah, having a little money is better than no money. So when you say I'm too good to take 18 an hour, you're saying I'm too good to make any money. Like, everybody wants the big fat paycheck, but start with what the universe is saying you can have or that you're getting. Like, of course everyone wants to make 40 an hour, but if all you can get is 16, take the 16. 16 is better than nothing, you know, and then keep looking for more money. You know, but yeah, poor is repeatedly passing up opportunity. And I said that backwards, but y'all know what I'm talking about. Passing up opportunity repeatedly. Poor. Okay, if you have no money, you got to take what they give you and build from there. And then, guys, take advantage of the resources in your city. Like, seriously, honestly, a city worth living in will have some resources for you to make life a little more bearable. Like, you know, so take advantage of the resources around you. Like, there's nothing wrong with going to a pantry. Going to a pantry is a blessing. You know, it costs money to get food, as we know. You do usually need an ID also. If you don't have your IDs, and I know lots of even Americans don't have IDs, go make sure you get your paperwork in order, because life is really challenging without having your documents in order. Even for Americans, get your paperwork. Like, let's be honest, a lot of y'all don't even know where your social security card number is, and you're American. And then you show up at the DMV not knowing your number, not knowing, having a card, looking dumb. Okay, and you're American. But yeah, a lot of you guys don't even know your social security number. Okay, that's a problem. First step to adulting, know your social security number. All right, that's it for long form content today. Y'all, if you got a dog, go pet it, go take it on a walk. Okay, show your dog, your animal, some love. Okay, if you got a mother, text her, say, Mom, I love you. Thank you for raising me. And I don't care the relationship you have with your mother. All you need to do to know about your mother is she gave you life. Okay, your mother gave you life. And so for that very reason, y'all should say thank you, Mama, today. And subscribe to my channel.